Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. So I'm going to be installing this electric hoist in my garage. Recently picked this up. It's rated up to 1,300 pounds. I got this unistrut here. This is a 10-foot section. I actually have another 10-foot section of it that's already up on the ceiling. So what I'm going to do is connect these two sections with like an 8-inch bolt. So the trusses are going to be just kind of in between it. And then I got these here. This goes in the unistrut, and the hoist mounts right here to it. So that's my plan. Hoping to get this installed today. Might have another video later today of it up and running. We'll just have to see how it goes. I got a buddy coming over here to help soon with the install, since it pretty much is a two-person job. So I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be a nice addition, help save my back, etc. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Look forward to part 2, and thanks for watching.